Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and as a mom of a vibrant 9-year-old girl, I'm always on the hunt for meaningful, screen-free activities that spark joy and creativity. That's how I stumbled upon the Pretty Me DIY journal kit. Not from an ad, but from one of those heartfelt mom, look at this moments when my daughter showed me a post from her favorite influencer. At $17, it seemed like a simple little craft set, but something about it felt different. It wasn't loud or flashy, and it didn't promise to teach coding or play music. It promised space. Space to dream, to write, to decorate, to just be. As someone who remembers the magic of having a special notebook growing up, I wondered, could this be more than just a trend? Could it actually become a trusted companion in her world of growing thoughts and big feelings? I had to find out, so we bought it, opened it, and began a journey that's become much more than just arts and crafts. When I first saw the Pretty Me DIY journal kit, I immediately thought of my daughter. At 9 years old, she's at that wonderful age where creativity is just bursting out of her, and she's constantly looking for ways to express herself. That's exactly why this journal kit caught my eye. It's not just a notebook. It's a full art and craft experience designed to let girls personalize every inch of their own little world. When we opened the box, I was genuinely impressed by how much was inside. Colorful stickers, fun washi tapes, embellishments, markers, and even a glitter pen. Everything looked cute and coordinated, but more importantly, everything felt usable. None of that cheap wallpaper sample quality you sometimes get with craft kits. It felt like everything was made for actual crafting, not just for show, and my daughter couldn't stop going through each item, arranging them on her desk like a tiny art studio manager. One thing I love, and I know every parent will appreciate this, is how perfectly this kit balances creativity with focus. As a mom, I'm always searching for gifts that are fun, but not just screen-based. This journal kit pulls her away from the iPad and into a world where she's designing, writing, and illustrating. The best part? She's practicing fine motor skills and self-expression without even realizing it. She's been filling her journal daily, sometimes writing about her day, sometimes doodling, and other times creating whole little comic strips with the stickers and art supplies. It's become her go-to activity before bed, and I've noticed it really helps her wind down. She even made a top 10 reasons I love my best friend page with glitter stickers and a heart border. Adorable, yes, but also meaningful. It's not just play, it's helping her process emotions and build confidence in her ideas. Let's talk about practical value, because at $17, it would be easy to assume this is one of those generic gift sets that looks great on the outside, but falls apart quickly. But honestly, this kit surprised me. The journal itself is thick, spiral bound so it lays flat, and the paper quality is surprisingly good, not glossy, but sturdy enough that markers don't bleed through. The stickers are vibrant and sticky enough to reposition a little, but stay put once pressed. The pens write smoothly, and the glitter pen. Okay, yes, it's a little messy, but that's kind of the point. It's part of the fun. I also appreciate that there are a variety of tools, tape, pens, cutouts, so it doesn't get boring after one use. It's not a one-trick pony. It's something she keeps coming back to again and again, and I imagine it could last for weeks or even months depending on how she uses it. What's really special about this kit is how it gives kids ownership. So many activities for girls these days are structured, classes, games with rules, TikTok trends, but this one is pure self-direction. No rules, no time limits. Just make it yours. From the first moment she opened it, my daughter didn't ask, "How do I do this?" She just dove in, sketching, gluing, writing. She created a dream room collage with stickers of beds, rainbows, unicorns, and her dog. Later, she made a bucket list page with things like go to Paris and own 100 cats. Watching her brainstorm and create was incredible. I realized this isn't just a craft kit, it's a space for imagination, identity, and storytelling. It's helping her think about who she is and who she wants to be. At 9, That's such a critical stage. And I love that she's doing it with glitter and stickers rather than just scrolling or watching videos. Now, is it perfect? Well, every product has its quirks. The glitter pen, as fun as it is, can be a bit finicky. You have to press a little harder to get the glitter to show, and sometimes it skips. Also, there's no glue stick included, which surprised me, especially since there are papers and cutouts. Luckily, we already had one at home, but if someone's buying this as a gift, they might want to toss in a glue stick to make it truly ready to go. And while the journal has lined pages, a few blank ones would have been nice for more drawing space. My daughter actually pulled some extra paper from her school binder to add in a few pages. But honestly, these are small things. The kit doesn't pretend to be a professional art set. It's meant for fun and creativity, and in that department, it absolutely delivers. I've bought a lot of gifts over the years: dolls, games, books, gadgets. And this one stands out because it's not just fun in the moment, it's something she keeps returning to. It's become part of her daily ritual. Other gifts get played with and then moved to the toy bin. But this journal is on her nightstand, always open. Friends come over, and instead of turning on the TV, they sit and decorate pages together. It's fostering connection, collaboration, and conversation. It's also sparked other creative projects. She started making cards for family members using the leftover stickers and tape. Once, she made me a Reasons I Love Mom page that brought happy tears to my eyes. So, yes, it's $17 of craft supplies, but it's also inspiring kindness, gratitude, and creativity. That's worth more than any price tag. If you're looking for a gift that's thoughtful, engaging, and genuinely age appropriate for 8 to 14-year-olds, this Pretty Me DIY journal kit is a winner. It's cute and trendy, yes, but it's also meaningful. It encourages writing, thinking, and creating, skills that are so important but sometimes hard to nurture in playful ways. It's not loud, it doesn't need batteries, and it's not screen based. It's quiet joy in a box. I've already told a few other moms about it because I think so many girls would love it, whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because it's a gift that keeps on giving. My daughter isn't just having fun, she's building memories, one sticker at a time. And as a mom, I can't ask for much more than that. If this journal kit sparked joy for you like it did for us, let me know with a like and share the creativity. Don't forget to subscribe for more heartfelt finds that inspire little minds and big dreams, because every girl deserves a space to shine, sticker by sticker. Let's grow kind, creative kids together, one crafty click at a time.